As always, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be working on an issue that I've had and I've realized it's gotten worse. And that's the rear hub of the Civic. So it's been making this rubbing noise, which I assume is the bearing in the hub going. So we're going to replace that. You'll need a flathead and possibly a hammer. So with that off, now I have to try to pry this up right here. It's not going to be easy. I was able to get the drum off by using 2 bolts. They are M8 by 125 by 12 millimeters from Advanced Auto. They're like $2.99. It wasn't coming off because it was rusty, but now it's off. These brakes look like they're dead and I should really replace them soon. So I did order some new drum pads or boots, but I won't be using them now because I don't have time. But let's take a look at the difference. So I bought some cheap lug nuts. I doubt they're gonna be any good. I don't have much time till the event, so I'm just gonna have to make do with this. There's red, cheap red lug nuts. I mean, they feel good, but I can only imagine they're not the greatest. And then here are the brake pads. Let's look at these. I don't plan on getting disc brakes anytime soon for the back, so let's look at this. So yeah, you can see the difference. So that's the thickness there, and kind of hard to line them up. See if you can see it on the top. I mean, it's not too off, but you can tell this hasn't been changed in a while. Yeah. He's got to go very soon. So, but I got replacements, so I'll do those another time. I'm not going to do them now. All right, after an hour of just trying to get this notch, I wasn't able to. So I'm gonna just grind it out and then buy a new spindle nut for it. Alright, should come right off. Do not lose this piece, it's important. I mean, there's some play, but it, at least, it isn't that bad.
Now that the hub's off, we can put the new one on. Don't forget this. It's tight. And then we can toss lock nut on. sure you crush it. Should be good. Put the drum back on. Let's put the cap on first. Put the drum on first. Just do that. There you go. And then put the cap on. That's it. But I learned a lot. I mean, I hope you guys learned a lot too. So now we're gonna put on the wheels. This is the fun part. So I actually went with